So in today's menu, we're doing some smoked turkey legs. Now, these are already pre-smoked before you get them, but you still got to add your own little pizzazz to it. What I went ahead and did was buy some already made compound butter. It was like a garlic herb infused. And then I added some extra seasoning into it, and I'm using this Traeger honey apple. Traeger, $10 for some seasoning. It is crazy. Go ahead and mix this up, and then what we're going to do is lather it onto the actual turkey leg. And then we'll wrap it in foil, and then we'll put it on the smoker for about 275 for 30 minutes. When doing this, it's just going to like lock in them juices, make this turkey leg more tender than it needs to be, because god dang, this was good. And these could be really good for like any type of event, maybe Super Bowl Sunday, maybe WrestleMania, NBA Finals type dish, right? But these came out really good. That compound butter really takes these turkey legs to a whole new level, and just the flavor is crazy. I took a little nibble, and I just couldn't stop nibbling. It's to the point I was like, I done damn near ate all this meat off the bone, you know? I was like, I was not going to record. But that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow for more. And bye.